Hi, this is Reese from CreataCRM. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get your lead ads from Facebook inside of Creator and then do a number of action plans by creating a contact, sending emails, attaching it to a automatic email marketing campaign. So with this video, we're going to see where you can actually, especially with the B2C market where you're going to be focusing on the Facebook market and you want to bring the data back into your CRM and action plan it and alert your staff when there's a new lead. So let's show you how this works. So first we're going to go into Facebook here and we're going to click on the little ellipses section here and go to Ad Manager. Click on the account that you have connected to your Facebook section. Now we're going to probably look at which is the ad. I think it's this one here. We're just going to click on edit here, or we'll maybe just select this section over here. Now here's the ad that I've sent out beforehand where I've just gone through and I've put an image in here, and you go through the wizard to make a Facebook ad. For example, if this is a create form, this is going to duplicate what we said in the ad just to give you a visualization of what we actually did. Just wait for Facebook to catch up to us. I think I go pause on this one. Actually, I've got to click on that. So click on next. So this is the web response form or questions I had on the web form. I pretty much ticked the usernames, full names, and put all the details that I wanted to grab on the web form. And off I went. Pretty simple to design there. And what we've done is that we've now we've used a product called Zapier to move it across, and I'll show you how that works. So I use a product called Zapier. Now Zapier, for example, can link to a lot of systems, and pretty much all these systems that you have in front of your eyes, you'll be able to integrate it into CreataCRM and then do a lot of action plans. Again, we have automation email marketing, we have project planning, integrated into a lot of accountancy systems. So this is a good thing, especially let's say people who want to use Shopify or anything like that. You can wire it back from triggers and so forth into your CRM. So let's look at one of the Zaps we have. So we're going to just go through that. So we're going to click on history here, and that's one of the Facebook ones we've got there. And we're going to go to this one here. So this is the one that we're probably wanting to talk about. So I'm going to click on that. Now, it's got a nice easy GUI interface to show you how it works. So you've got a Facebook lead, and your lead comes through, for example, and you just will continue to connect to that. I'll see if I can do it. Gives me any dramas. Yes, connect to account, test, successful. At the options, pretty much create a CRM, and we're going to go to this form. Now, that's a form that I have. There was two forms in here. So, for example, the untitled form, I'm a great way of explaining myself there, or designing forms, is the same one that you've got here. So if I click on the section here, scroll all the way down, that's the same form as the one that's in Zapier in the section here. So you can design a lot of forms, and just Zapier needs to know which form it goes, and that's important, and we just choose that one there. So we now go through the CreataCRM. We're going to continue through that. I think it's this one. Apologize if I get it wrong. Successful, and continue on. Now what happens with is it gets the Facebook ads, and what I've predefined it already. So I add the columns that I want, and this is using adjacent feeds. It's a cool techie word to say things happen across, and I move it and I align the field by field to go through as well. So pretty much I have the ability to map the fields, and it's really just similar to mapping field first name to first name, title to job title, and so forth and so forth. So what we're going to do is we're just going to test this with that successful, and we should be able to send the information out. So let's go and see if that works. So let's retest that and create and continue. So let's see how that goes. So that's going to send out information out to the database. So I've just refreshed that and bring it across. Now that's the data that's coming across. So all of a sudden I had to filter it because it's our live database right now, and you'll see everything of our contacts. So we click on that, and for example, we've now got a a contact here in the database that's been mapped perfectly with a tag Facebook as well. Now, how we did that was we've got some webhooks along here called webhook definitions and Facebook leads. So what we do a bit more in the integration side of the fence is that we can actually see how we've mapped it across. I'm just going to see if I can snap that in. There it is. So with pretty much where we've gone into the Facebook side of the fence and pretty much mapped this lead name from here, we've actually just said, okay, we've mapped these contacts across. And the great thing about it is that we can dedupe those contacts. If that contact already exists, it will just create an activity. If it doesn't exist, it will then pretty much create a contact, and then it will then add it to a tag, and you can actually also add it to other things like automatically email people. So for example, you can, automatically assign this person to something like, let's say, marketing workflow campaigns, and you could automatically link them to these things as well without, so let's say a reckon hosted lead section, and that would automatically send all those emails out to that particular lead of Facebook. So that helps you out of just going from pretty much from Facebook ads all the way over here and pushing it into Creator, into the database, and then sending reminders and tagging as Facebook leads there. I hope this brief demo helps to show you that you can just bring Facebook leads into Creator or anything like that through Zapier. So if any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Thanks.